Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Leather Fashion Trends. Today's video is going to be very exciting because we are talking about three powerful fashion pieces that can completely transform your look. Yes, today we will discuss leather leggings, leather miniskirts and leather long boots. When these three items are styled properly, they create a bold, confident and very modern outfit. Let's start with leather leggings. Leather leggings are one of the most popular fashion items in recent years. They are stylish, comfortable, and very easy to style. Leather leggings give a slim and smart look instantly. Even if you wear a simple top, leather leggings can upgrade your outfit and make it look more fashionable. They are perfect for winter, fall, and even cool summer evenings. Many women prefer fox leather leggings because they are affordable and easy to maintain. But real leather leggings also look very premium and last longer. Leather leggings can be styled in many different ways. For a casual looks, you can wear them with an oversized sweater or a long hoodie. Add sneakers or ankle boots and you are ready for a relaxed day out. For more classy look, you can pair leather leggings with a blazer and heels. This style is perfect for dinner, meetings, or special events. The best things about leather leggings is that they are very versatile. You can create many outfits with just one pair. Now let's talk about leather miniskirts. A leather miniskirt is bold, trendy, and eye-catching. It usually ends above the knee and gives a strong fashion statement. Leather miniskirts have been popular for many years and are still trending. They give a confident and modern vibe. When you wear a leather miniskirt, you stand out in the crowd. There are different styles available, like high-waisted miniskirts, fitted bodycon styles, or slightly loose, aligned designs. High-waisted leather miniskirts make your legs look longer and your waist look more defined. Black is the most popular color, but brown, burgundy, beige, and even red are also beautiful options. You can style a leather miniskirts with a simple t-shirt for a casual look or with a fitted blouse and heels for a party look. In winter, you can add stocking or tights and pair them with a long boots for a very trendy outfits. And now leather moves to leather long boots. Leather long boots are the perfect finishing touch for your outfits. They add elegance, confidence, and height to your overall look. Long boots can be knee-high or even over the knee. They look amazing with both leather leggings and leather miniskirts. When you wear leather leggings with long boots, it creates sleek and polished appearance. This combination is very popular in winter fashion. You can add a long coat or trench coat to complete the look. On the other hand, when you pair leather miniskirts with long boots, it gives a very stylish and bold vibe. This combination is perfect for evening outstanding, fashion, events, or even stylish street wear. Choosing the right boots is important. Make sure they are comfortable and the heel height suits you. If you prefer comfort, you can choose flat long boots. If you want a more elegant and formal look, heeled boots are great options. Black boots are the most versatile because they match almost every outfit. But brown and big boots are also very stylish choices. When combination leather leggings, leather miniskirts and the leather long boots, balance is very important. If your skirt is bold, keep your top simple. If your boots are high and eye-catching, avoid too many heavy accessories. Fashion looks best when it is balanced and clean. Quality is very also important when buying leather fashion items. Always check the material, stitching and finishing. Good quality leather or fox leather should feel soft and slightly stretchable. Cheap material may peel or crack after some time. Investing in good quality pieces will save your money in the long run because they will last longer. Another important thing is confidence. Leather fashion pieces are bold by nature when you wear them. Carry yourself with confidence, stand straight, walk with comfort, and smile. Fashion is not only about clothes, it is about how you present yourself. In today's fashion trends, minimal styling is very popular. Oversized blazers with leather legging, miniskirts with simple tops, and long boots with clean silhouettes are trending. Natural colors are simple, designs are in style, but bold looks are also appreciated if styled properly. So, if you want to upgrade your wardrobe, try adding leather leggings, leather miniskirts, and leather long boots to your collection. These three items can help you create many stylish outfits for different occasions. From casual days to party nights, these pieces will always make you look fashionable and confident. Thank you so much for watching today's video on leather fashion trends. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comments and subscription to my channel. Tell me in the comments which combination you like more. Leather leggings with your boots or leather miniskirts with long boots. I will see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay confident and keep shining. Tata, bye bye.